was your day, Jengo? Yeah? Did you have fun today? Did you play with your mice? Yeah? And what else did you do? Yeah? Anything else? Were you a good boy today? You were okay today, huh? Did you get into trouble? Yeah. Did you get into trouble? Oh, do you want the camera? Yes. Do you like to be interviewed? Oh, sweetie. Are you sleepy? Yes. Do you want me to stop? Do you want me to leave you alone? Oh, is that what you wanted? You want me to rub your spot? Yes. That's what you wanted. You want me to rub your spot. Oh, sweetie. Listen to that bird. Yeah. Are you my little sweetie? Yeah? Yes. You want to cuddle and play at the same time? You want it all. You want it all. That's my pant leg.